Go tell Aunt Rhody. Go tell Village of
Long ago,
Shadows.
a young girl went with her mother to pick berries for her father, who was hard at work. But the forest greeted them with a dark, cold silence, the bushes empty.
The bush is
Yet
empty.
determined to find the berries, the rascal broke free from Mother's grasp and vanished into the trees. Mother's worried cries faded fast as the girl ran on, over vine and under branch, and into the forest deep. Feeling strange eyes upon her, the girl recalled Mother's scary bedtime tales, and her throat became bone dry. Then the Bat Lord appeared. He greeted her warmly and bit his own wing. "Come, child, quench your thirst," he said. So she drank the thick, dark blood and smiled with joy. Passing through the graveyard, menacing storm clouds loomed, and the air turned bitingly cold. The girl was shivering in her thin clothes. Then a dark weaver appeared, and with a click
Caroline.
of his fingers crafted mist into a beautiful dress. "Come, child, warm yourself," he coaxed. So she clothed herself and smiled with joy. Across waters deep and ominous she went, hoping a boat she found would carry her home. But hunger's grip tightened and her heart grew heavy. Then the Fish King appeared and offered one of his many fins. "Come, child, eat your fill." So the girl ate and smiled with joy once more. Continuing on, she soon entered the forest's dark heart. Then an iron steed appeared, bearing a beautiful golden gear. The creature said nothing as the girl approached and snatched what she thought was another gift. The horse grew angry and summoned the other monsters. Terror filled the girl's heart as the wild wind rose around the beasts. Suddenly, a witch appeared, dark yet regal. "Gifts we gave, but more you took," she snarled. "So more in turn is due." In a blink,
Ano ng
the girl
graphics?
was trapped inside a mirror. There. She's asleep.
What is with the creepy story? She's only 6 months old.
Woman at the store said it was traditional. A local tale. Besides, Rose doesn't seem to mind.
Because she doesn't understand it. Thank God. We moved here so that she wouldn't have to deal with any of that, remember?
There's nothing wrong with my memory.
Chill.
You're just being paranoid.
It's not...
I hope so.
Never mind. I'm sorry. But I'm not paranoid. I'm just cautious.
Then, go cautiously take your daughter to bed. I'll finish dinner.
It's okay, Rose. Your mother doesn't want to remember it. I can't blame her.
Did you say something?
Nothing. I'll put her down.
The fuck? Mabigla maging sada ako na naman to eh. Ano to? Ito ko siya lagay sa karton. He.
Mia makes everything by hand, so this stuff keeps piling up.
Haba ng mouse sense ah. Tasan natin konti. Sarap. Oh.
Don't get too close to me when I'm cooking, babe.
Okay na. Wagam ka pa rin ba?
You hungry? No? Maybe later then.
Parang ang clunky ng controls ah. Baby monitor. She started to... pangalan ko, Rose. Okay. Ng bahay ah. Cozy. Shush, 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 shush.
There, there.
Shush, shush, shush,
It's like I
shush,
said
shush.
to your mom. That book's too scary for you.
Oh, ganda. Cozy. Pwede ka mabuo dyan. Dito. CR. Mia's medication. She's been on a strict regimen ever since the incident. Ish. Wow.
Almost there, honey.
Ito yung kwarto ni Rose. Saan yung kwarto namin? Mag-asawa. I want to see some more. What?
Gotta do a deep clean before Rose starts walking around.
Ba't ang kalat? I forgot this is a horror game. George Trevor. Ang laman yan. Hello? Curtain closes on the Dolby gas incident. The committee completed their investigation on the 18th into the Dolby toxic gas leak in Louisiana in 2017. They concluded the deaths were caused by a leak of natural gas that had built up in the mud rock under the area. Jack Baker and his family who were exposed to the gas perished. Ethan Winters and his wife were also believed to have been nearby, but their current whereabouts are known. The entire area has been closed off by officials who believe it will be at least 10 years before this area is habitable again.
Everyone's
Doubt.
forgotten about this already.
Doubt. It's not a gas leak. It's a virus leak. Uy,
Why do I even keep this around? I should get rid of it someday.
it's a good thing they had Ethan have voice lines. Makes him more a likable character. Ito yung kwarto ni Rose. Ay, dito muna kami natutulog. And pag lumaki si Rose, dito na siya. This is my office. Me and her had another fight. I accidentally mentioned what happened 2 years ago and she blew up at me. We finally settled down in our new life in Europe and can bring Rose up properly, but I still feel like a part of me is trapped in that hellhole back in Louisiana. I know Mia doesn't like to talk about it, but can we really just forget everything and pretend it didn't happen? Shouldn't we face what happened there so we can live our lives with Rose without it hanging over our heads? We owe her that much at least. I know Mia knows this too. She wouldn't have exploded like that at the hospital if she didn't care. Actually right. Actually right. Teddy bear.
Well, hi there, little Rose.
Ano yun? Supposedly dapat tulog na siya, di ba? Gun survival is a heavy firearms manual
It's
of
not
field.
paranoia if they're really out to get you.
Actually, how can you tell? Si Mia. Hindi pinakita yung mukha ni Ethan. Okay, ito yung pinagbubuntis si Rose. Buti hindi siya nalaglagan ng bata, no? Like, stressful kasi ito eh. And mental health problems. Photogrammetry. Ganda.
I wish it could stay like this forever.
Cute. Okay. Okay, looks like nothing is here
Can't keep your
anymore.
mother waiting. She's scary when she's angry.
Real. Uli siyang nagalit, pinutol niya yung kamay ko eh. Wow. Put Rose to bed.
There you go, sweetheart. Don't you worry. I'll be right downstairs. Daddy won't let those weird fairy tale monsters get you.
Okay, baby monitor. Check natin yung baby monitor sa baba. If good siya. Pwede pala akong mag-inspect habang walang hawak na bata. Pwede ko ba kunin yun? Yung baby doon? Yung teddy bear? Bawal. Rose's favorite toy. Physics, I like it. Ang dami naman tumutulog sa bahay na ang inang yan. Wah. Wah. Uy, luto na. Embutido, mashed potato, tsaka salad. Tinapay, wiw.
Is she okay?
Sleeping like a baby. That smells good. What's that?
Oh, hands
Sinigang.
off, mister. It's chuva de legume. It's a local recipe.
Wow, you've gone full native, haven't you?
Local
Sierra
wine,
de
too.
Lagum.
But if you're gonna keep sulking all evening, maybe you shouldn't have any. You really have to stop worrying.
It's just finding you in Louisiana, the pregnancy, Chris moving us here, military training, it all happened so fast, you know?
Well, at least we're all together. You, me, Rose. Now, everything's gonna
Seriously, think we can just forget about what happened in Louisiana?
be... It happened so long ago. I don't understand why you are so...
Oof.
Mia, get down!
Get. Oof.
Mia!
Oof. Gago. Pinawalan na ng bala. Ina mo. Todas.
Mia, oh God!
Sino to?
Chris?
Oh.
What the hell?
Sorry, Ethan.
No!
Oof.
What? Why?
Gagawin ni nila character model ni Chris Redfield. Nag-trader siya? What? Okay siya sa ano eh. 7 eh. Gago yan ako.
All clear.
Rose? What the hell are you doing with my daughter?
Package secure, sir. Take him away.
I said get your hands off her!
Ethan, no.
Oof.
Rose?
Get him out.
So ganun lang namatay si Mia? Ang ina, main character siya eh. Pinag-military training ako ni Chris, tapos tinarantado niya rin ako. It looks like, aanihin mo yung tinanim mo, Chris.
Hey, Doc.
Hello, Mr. Winters. I've got your daughter's results back, and I'd like you to come in to talk about them. How about next Thursday, 4 o'clock?
No problem. We'll be there. That was the doc. She'll see us next week.
Alam niya ring may mali eh.
Hey,
Halata
now.
sa mukha niya eh.
Think positively, all right? We talked about this.
I know. We hardly talk about anything else. I keep telling you, it's not Rose that I'm worried about.
Well, then what are you worried about? Look, she's gonna be fine. I just know it. What else matters?
We matter, Ethan! You matter! You just
Mia, what are you talking about? Is there something you're not telling me? Come on, talk to me. Damn it. I have to take this.
Mukha niya yung girlfriend ko, the fuck. Posible namang patay agad si Mia doon. May hidden superpower siya eh. Cute ni Rose. Kala ko dadali nila ako sa mga secret lab. Ito si Chris.
About damn time. What's your status? Is the package safe?
What are you talking about? Where's Chris Redfield? And Rose?
Who is this? This is a secure channel. You are not authorized to work on.
Fuck.
Binigyan talaga na ng voice line si Ethan.
What the hell happened here?
Okay. Use this. Eliminate target, recover body. Secure Rosemary Winters and Ethan Winters. Move to Winters to Site C for further investigation. At least 2 transferred officers to accompany. Talagang papatayin si Mia, no? So, base sa daanan, parang nalaglag kami sa bangin. Letras yung crouch. Bruh. Ito, what kind of game is this? Bakit letras yung crouch? Mukhang nalaglag kami sa bangin nga. Most likely. May footsteps. No, like sundan natin. So basically, tinone down nila yung horror intensity ng 8 dahil sa sobrang nakakatakot yung 7. Bro, tapos ko na yung 7, 2017, 2018 na taon natapos yun. Okay, putang ina mo, magkasubukan tayo dito, pre. Tinone down daw. Kasi ang dami nagreklamong natatakot sila. Well, if you are scared by this game, one thing I can say is this game is not this game is not for you. Basically, yun lang yun. No need to wind up. Gay. Tumesting ka, boy. Tumesting ka sa akin, boy. Gay! Kala ko tao. Uwak. Oh! Putang, kinagago na to. Yung mouse ko na bato ko, putang ina mo. Kupal ka. Ang ina mo. Oh my god. Fucking shit scared me big time. Fucking shit scared me big time. Fucking shit. Wait lang, let me just clip. Can I clip that? Ayun na yun. Umahan ka na, boy. I can't say na tinone down nila. Putang ina. Pero kasi the good. Ano yun yung mga nakikita mo sa kanto ng Quiapo eh. Yung mga nakapa. Gago. Matakbo na lang bigla mga taong grasa. I can't say they toned it down. Parang hindi naman. Miss me the spookies. Pampakalma, hinika na ako eh. Isda. Ito pamalo oh. Hindi pala. Pakadilim putang ina mo. Hello? Buti walang dumakip sa akin, no? Saka naglalakad ako mag-isa doon. Okay, may animation, hand animations. Never mind. Tubig. Wala. Tangina, bahay ba ulit tayo maglalaro? Oh my god. Jesus fucking Christ, this game. This game is... No, 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 no. We are not for that fucking shit, man. Last time bumaba ako ng basement, putang ina. Putang ina talaga, brother. Huling bumaba ako ng basement. Ayoko na. Putang ina. Grabing kakupalan to, ah. Okay. Sige, baba tayo. Mia? Mia? Mia Winters? Jiggle pick. Wala. Position, rotate yun. Oh, sino to? Examine? Bawal examine? Okay, tumesting ka, boy. Daga. Sa likod ko meron. Hala. Oh, ina mo. Gago, may nagwawala sa taas. Ang ano, lasing ata yun eh. Putang ina mo. Yaw. Yaw. Okay. Yak. Also, ba't may dugo? May dugo ba ito before? Uy, maliwanag na! Uy, finally, maliwanag na. Tang ina, yung Resident Evil 7, isang buong game, gabi lahat.
What did all this?
No, baka may nag-spawn na item. Wala. Hello? Mukhang sa labas tayo maglalaro. So for vaulting, you just need to walk over it. Okay. You don't need to jump. Space pala is block. Pepe Pray. I think walang vault mechanics before sa Resident Evil 7. If I recall correctly.
Where
Ooh.
the hell am I?
Same thought, Ethan. Tama ba ako dito? Same thought. Gago, parang yung village sa ano, Resident Evil 4. Anong bangin lalo. Okay. Looks like there's no going back. Papa. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mamaya na yan. Halatang dyan yung objective ko eh. Ino ng gulo na naman mga Los Illuminados. Tahimik na village. Manggagago mga Los Illuminados. May radyo akong naririnig.
What happened?
Hello? Actually, hindi dito ate objective ko eh. Let me check that door first. Sorry. Let me see what I missed. Lock. This one is... Wala. Putang inang yan. Ang gago, laruan ni Toy. Laruan ni Toy ang puta. Laruan ni Rose. Laruan na Toy pa oh. Henges. Ay na mo, lumabas ka dyan boy. Wala. Let me check that swinging door first. Do not enter. Oh fuck, I forgot where I should go. Ayun. Ano ba yan? Ano naman? Ito ako galing, di ba? Saan ba ako bumaba? I forgot. Basta swinging door yun eh. Hindi naman ito yun eh. Hello? Tapa. Ah, ito nga yun.
Maybe they're out.
No, Ethan. No. Fuck no. They're not out. They're dead. Look at those blood stains. The fuck kind of question is that? Ooh! Sino ka? Gihatak imong bangkay ah. Wala naman. I went almost everywhere. I think I need to stop wasting some time and go to this house. May ilaw eh, so looks like someone is probably living here. Locked due to missing homeowner. Parang daling sirain ng knife. And may yellow tape siya, so most like someone's locked. Uy, may manok! Parang ang clunky ng... Uy, sarap tumahay dyan. Diretso sa snow. Tao po! Flashlight. Yellow box. Bawal sipain. Okay, may knife na ako. Putang ina. Okay, palag-palag. Ngayon kayo tumesting boy. Ngayon kayo tumesting boy. Gagong laki ng inventory ko. What the hell? So pag ginulot yung right click, puso. Tama ba? Tama.
Did they just run out of the house?
Ethan! What the fuck kind of dialogue is that? Are we dead ass? May lalabas dito. May lalabas dito. May lalabas dyan. Putang ina mo!
Friendly. Who are you? Who sent you?
Kupal ka boy!
There was an accident down on the road and... What's going on?
Ang ina mo, ikaw nagpaputok eh.
Oh no. They're coming. Who is?
No shit.
What the hell was that? You have a gun? What? Please tell me you have a gun. No, why would I?
Pataas. Kung bibigyan mo ako... Ay! Uy! Oh. Binigyan nga ako.
Take it! Take it!
May bala ba?
Tell me it's out there. Hey, are you listening?
Relax!
Hey!
Relax! Oh!
What the?
Baka gusto mo umalis ng butas, Ethan. Oh!
Shit!
Saksak. Kutsilyo. Oh! Uy, nandiyan na agad siya sa ilalim. Ang galing.
Dead body? Wait, there's more.
Kakong dami. Naimbak nila dito. Shit.
Jesus Christ.
So I have 20 bullets. Let me just fix my
What the
sensitivity on
hell
my
is wrong with this place?
I don't know, Ethan. You ask me. Oh! Uy, gago. May gumagalaw dun. Do you not see that, Ethan? I start to... Oh! Tangina mo! Tangina mo, kamay ko na naman! Oh! Aray! Tangina mo!
What was that?
I start shooting, man. I start shooting, man. Pang, 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 pang. Anong dapat? Sorry, my friend is snoring.
No.
Tanga na, let's start shooting. Bang! Oh! You got moves, huh? You got moves, huh? You got moves. You got moves, huh? Oh! Again! You got moves. Tangina mo? 10 bala?
What the hell?
I know. Saan niya ako tinapon? Ang taas ng sense pag nakatutok. Pag hindi nakatutok, grabe. Sensitivity. 7 lang. No, okay na yan. Wait lang, hindi pa okay. Nating 8 to, ito gawin nating 8 din siguro. No, hindi pa din eh. Parang nawala nagbabago. Ano naman? What the fuck is this control, Capcom? Mas okay to. Chem fluid, okay. Bala. Saan niya ako inagis? Mula dito? Ha? Gago, saan niya ako inagis? Dito niya ako inagis eh. Eh, galing akong lapag. Bolt cutters. Okay. Okay. Okay, ngayon kayo tumesting boy. Walang magbibigay ng para sa akin. Looks like wala. Hindi ko rin makuha yung shotgun niya. Wait lang, may live ba yung face ngayon? Ayun, thank you, amo. Tangina mo. Oh, fuck me. Careful. Oh! Oh! Oh shit, are we dead as I've locked myself in? Okay. I've got no way out. Um,
Is it over?
tangina mo, tapyas yung kamay ko. Herb. Pwede natin i-craft yan.
Hello. If there are any survivors out there, come to
Zoe?
Louise's house near the fields.
Survivors?
Uy, Zoe? Buti binarricade ko to, ang galing ko, ano? Ah, shit. Pwede ba ako dito? Amo? Near Louisa's house near the field. Louisa's house near the field. Sarado na to eh. Pinabasan ba dito? Game, tang ina nyo. Huwag kayo mag-growl-growl dyan. So, sarado to. Ito. Sarado rin. Ang ina mo ah. Tago ka dyan, yaw. I think I shouldn't have done that. I shouldn't have done that. I think. I shouldn't have done that. Louisa's house near the field. Louisa's house near the field. Louisa's house near the field. Oh. Louisa's house near the field. Louisa's house. Shotgun! 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 Shotgun!
Okay.
Okay, okay. Ngayon kayo tumesting boy. Ngayon kayo tumesting boy. Gunpowder, okay. Bullets. Bullets. Ba na tayo? Ba tayong bala? Trusted scrap. Oh shit! Bakit ako nag-heal? Control.
There's no end to them.
Oh! Whoa. Chill. Oh my god, this game is fucking stressing me out. Holy shit. Uy, gago, may namamana. Uy! Ay, putang ina mo ka. Oh my god, oh my fucking god. That is not ideal. That is not very ideal. Louisa's house near the field. 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 Luisa's house near the field. Luisa's house near the field. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
You're kidding me.
Ano yun? 100 lay. 100 lay. Oh, shit. Ah, shit. Looks like I'm dead. Looks like I'm dead. Am I dead? Am I dead? Am I dead? Am I dead? Ah. Okay, I'm dead. Oh! That is not very ideal. That is not very ideal. Where should I go? Where should I go? Am I dead? Looks like I'm dead. Looks like I'm dead. Okay, definitely dead. Oh! Luisa's house near the fields. Where the fuck was it? I don't know where the fuck was it. Holy shit. Where's the shotgun though?
Is it over?
Asan yung Luisa's house near the field? Near the field. Oh. Dito? Nalimutan ako saan ako dumaan ulit. Dito, di ba? Hindi na ako mga startle. May kalaban doon. Oh, tulog sila. Saan ako nakatingin?
Oh, wait. Lap na ako. Nantok na ako.
Oh, sige, GG's pre, GG's.
Like, this.
Oh my god, they fucking saw me.
Damn it.
Survive the attack. So I was meant to survive. I was meant to survive, okay. So ano ko yung shotgun? Putang ina mo. Vessels. Kung survive lang, tanga na dito lang ako sa taas. Saan ko na ko yung shotgun?
There's no end to them.
Ay, Slenderman, kumakit sila. Shit. Okay, ang dami nila dyan. Putang ina. Una ko yung shotgun. Di ba dito? Dito nga, dito nga.
Okay.
Masabog. Ano po sumasabog to eh? Flower. Ah, okay. Usok lang talaga siya. Okay, dito lang talaga ako. Survive lang pala. Ano tayo gagawan? Ay gago, tinatamaan ako dun. Tangina naman, nag-space ako. Jesus Christ. Mali. Tangina mo. Okay, I did survive the attack. Gago, kala ko respo. Tangina mo, kakalabanin ka, wala na akong bala. Okay. Kumalimbang na yung kampana. Yung bingo na sila. Elite ball knowledge. Nagis ako sa bahay, puta. Gangrene. Tsaka naniitan, no? Naputulan ng kamay, pati paa. Pero palag-palag pa din. Hindi ba magre-regen yan? Merchant?
Wait.
Ay, kung tapos na yung siege, di may loot. Almost. May loot dun eh. Hindi. Barrel yan. Let me loot the place up yun. May yellow box ba doon? Okay, so maglalaro yung story dito sa village. That's why it's called village. Okay. Alak. Tangna, that was a stressful fucking ordeal. So I went there. I think the house over here. So yan, bukas na to. Yan ako pupunta. Let me just loot the place real quick. I have 2 shotgun shells. I'm playing on normal difficulty, by the way. At least I found a way to cheese them. Kahit pa paano. Looks like that's everything. Browse. Nope.
In life and in death, we give glory.
Magbebenta mo ba ako ng sniper?
Hello? You shouldn't be out here. It's not safe. What the hell? Hey, can you hear me?
It's you, the child's father.
Child? Hey, wait. Do you mean Rose? Is she here?
Rose! Rose, yes. She is in great danger. Since Mother Miranda brought her to the village, we have fallen into darkness.
What are you talking about? The monsters?
Ninakaw nila. So kinuha ni Chris si Rose.
The bell heralds
Then kinuha ni Mother Miranda si
They're
Rose. Kinhijack.
No. Wait. Where's Rose? Who's Mother Miranda?
The bell tolls for us all. They're coming
Oh my god.
again.
They're coming again. Tapos na sila mag-bingo.
Rose is here?
Are there no save points here? I want to save. Hello? Gun oil. Oh, great Lycans. The fabled ones are wolves of old. May they come to eat our flesh. May they come to tear us apart. What the fucking dark poet. Easy to pick lock. So let me check the box here. Nothing. So control is heal, ah. C is crouch. I keep forgetting. There are no viable ways. Here. Lock. Crank. May hidden item dyan most likely. Up here. Lock from the other side. Ceremony site. Castle Dimitrescu. Si Lady Dimitrescu nakita na. Ay, gagat. Binaril ko yung ano yun, no? Wak. Oh, collectible siya. Herb. Tayo pwedeng mag-craft ng bullets. Okay, pag-craft na ako. Okay, that's good.
Guess this leads to the castle.
Kailangan ko ng 2 bilog. Okay, may pag-ganon sila dito. Bawal. Are there no safe points here? Excuse me. I really want to sleep so bad. Getting crest. Should disaster fall upon a village, seek out the crest. One, the care of the church. The other is at Luisa's. Sino ba si Luisa? Putang ina nyo. So doon ako nang galing. May ako nakunin yung crest. May well dito. So dalawa yung well dito sa site na to. Ito most likely lock. Okay. I'm at yellow health. Okay. Ayun, save. Whew. So ayan, doon nagtatapos yung live ko. Thank you guys for watching. I'll play this tomorrow. So stay tuned always, and thanks for always dropping by. Watch me play. Thank you. Yeah.